Declan's Playbook! Today, we're opening 12 mystery toys of the character
Stitch.
Look at me. Look at me.
Okay, I opened the box. This is the second one. Ooh, we got, oh, there's so many pink ones. Now we're on our fourth bag. Please be a blue one. Yeah. Nope.
Oh no.
Another pink one. But his nose is blue at least.
Let's see that one. Hold that one up close to
Got
the
it.
camera. Close. Let's see. Which one is this one? How many is this?
5.
Oh,
it's blue!
Is it blue?
Yeah. And there's like these little stickers. Oh, we got Stitch wearing sunglasses. Bye, everybody. Goodbye. You're in the naughty corner. You're in the good corner. Okay. Oh, it's a blue one. I got more red things. And it's not a double. He doesn't have the sunglasses though. This is the boy pile, not the girl pile.
Oh, geez.
Boop. What's next? It's a girl.
Oh, it's a girl. Double or no?
No. I mean, maybe
Well,
I
that's
don't
good
know.
that you're not getting any doubles.
I mean, I did get a few doubles actually. This and this.
Well, these guys actually kind of look red and less pink.
Oh,
they
yeah.
look like a different pink, like a darker.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that red?
Yeah, it's kind of red. These two are red, but these two, wait, these two? Doubles.
Yeah, okay.
Why do they all come with the red things?
I don't know what those are. Let me see them.
I think only when I opened the boys, they gave me the red things. Like 2 red things. They all came with 2. Yeah, there's a red thing. Wait. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a boy. Oh. Look at his nose.
Oh, he's so cute. Is he cute?
Yeah, he's cute. Oh, pa.
Okay, how many? Let's count how many we got so far. Count them
Okay.
up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, can you line them up?
Yep. These are the boys.
Face them towards me. Face them here. Face them towards the camera.
These are not all done, though.
I know.
Boop, boop, boop. Like, maybe these are grown-up ones, maybe, or something. These are 2 doubles.
How many you got? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You got 4 more left.
How do you know that? Get out. Good. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Her ear is messed up. The one with the broken ear. I'm gonna unbox 2 at a time. Okay. Let's start with this one actually. And it's a boy. What the? His stuff in his. Wait. Doesn't Stitch have like these little antennas?
I don't know. I think
His antennas are like he has little antennas in the back. You see those?
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Kind of weird. Okay. Go with the boys. We have so many doubles. I mean, we don't have that much stuff. Okay, let's just make the pile over here now. Our last one. What would we get? Please not a double. I want one of those mysteries. If I get a mystery, I'm gonna be so happy.
What was it?
It's a stupid one.
Is it a double?
Yes.
Oh. All right, pair up all your doubles.
Okay. These. Wait, do these
Face
match?
it towards the camera.
Wait, these are not doubles. These. Wait, no, these are all doubles. All of these are doubles. It's a mob of doubles. We forgot one.
Go ahead.
Oh, guys, look, we forgot one. Ooh. It's another one of these stitches.
Is that a double or no? Let's see.
It's a double.
Oh, with the cute nose.
Yeah, it's a double.
Okay. I'm really excited about it. Action.
Guys, I forgot to show you something. So you use the red thing, and then
Show them. So these little red tabs.
yeah,
Show them that. Pick it up.
you use these like red things.
They're like stickies.
Yeah, and then you put it on their belly, then they stick to your phone. This is not my mom or dad's phone. This is my phone. This is like
Show the camera.
this. Oh, this is the part where you put the red thingy. Yeah, on their bellies.
And then hold your phone up.
Bye for now.